In late 1995, within the development facilities of Citroen's design studio, engineers were finalizing the production specifications for Project S8. This engineering program carried a strict corporate mandate: replace the aging Citroen AX within a 260-week timeline, prioritizing structural rigidity and production cost efficiency. The resulting vehicle, the Citroen Saxo, was designed to stabilize the brand's position in the competitive European supermini segment. To meet the aggressive timeline and budget constraints, the PSA Group mandated extensive platform sharing between its brands. The Saxo was engineered directly on the floorpan and mechanical architecture of the 106. The two vehicles shared identical underpinnings, powertrain options, and an independent trailing arm rear suspension setup. However, to maintain distinct brand identities, designer Donato Coco penned a unique exterior style, ensuring that no outer body panels were interchangeable. The resulting body shell was heavier than the outgoing AX, but it provided superior torsional rigidity and improved crash protection. When the Saxo officially launched into European showrooms in 1996, the model availability was structured into precise tiers to capture distinct consumer segments. The base models catered directly to economy-focused buyers. Offered in both 3-door and 5-door configurations, these entry-level variants were powered by small-capacity powerplants, specifically 1.0-litre and 1.1-litre petrol engines, alongside a 1.5-litre naturally aspirated diesel option. These early Phase 1 models featured basic equipment, manual windows, and a center console keypad immobilizer that required the driver to input a security code before the engine could be started. As production advanced, Citroën expanded the lineup to target younger buyers by introducing dedicated performance variants. The first was the Saxo VTR, which utilized a 1.6-litre 8-valve engine producing 90 brake horsepower. The VTR was distinguished by a factory-fitted body kit, featuring body-colored plastic wheel arch extensions and side skirts designed by stylist Gilles Vidal. Sitting above the VTR was the range-topping Saxo VTS. This variant received a 1.6-litre 16-valve engine that produced 120 brake horsepower. Dropped into a chassis with a curb weight of 935 kilograms, the VTS delivered a high power-to-weight ratio. The mechanical development of the VTS included stiffened suspension geometry, rear disc brakes, and rear axle bushings designed to induce passive rear-wheel steering during high-speed cornering. By late 1999, the automotive market demanded a visual refresh, prompting Citroën to release the Phase 2 generation. This mid-cycle facelift altered the front architecture of the car, replacing the conservative, square nose with rounded, almond-shaped headlights, a re-sculpted bonnet, and a wider grille displaying an enlarged double chevron emblem. Beyond aesthetics, the Phase 2 introduction brought technical updates across the range. The 1.6-litre engine in the VTR was upgraded to produce 98 brake horsepower, and standard safety specifications were enhanced globally to include driver-side airbags. By the time the production lines halted in 2003 to make way for the successor, the Citroën C2, factory records confirmed that 1,662,200 units of the Saxo had been manufactured. The vehicle fulfilled its original corporate brief, evolving from a strictly budgeted platform sharing experiment into a commercially successful and versatile global product.